How to set up Facebook Pay. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to set up Facebook Pay. So in order to set up a Facebook Pay, it's very simple. All you need to do is follow the on-screen prompt. However, the following feature is only available in certain part of the world and it might not be available on your device. So if you're unable to find the Facebook Pay option, that means the particular feature is not available on your region. Now to begin with, go ahead and open up your Messenger application. Make sure that you've already updated your application. Once you are done updating your application, now go ahead and tap the try bar icon from the top left hand side and then click on the settings page. After you click the settings button, here you'll be able to find Facebook Pay. All you have to do is tap Facebook Pay. Before that, the following feature is only available in certain part of the world. In my case as well, that's not available. So if you see Facebook Pay, all you have to do is just tap the Facebook Pay button and then you need to add new debit card or PayPal account and then tap add credit card or PayPal. Once you've done that, enter your payment method information and then tap the save button. Now you've successfully added or set up your Facebook Pay. In this way you can set up Facebook Pay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.